Hey Quirky Club, I hope you're all well. I wanted to show you guys this really cool place where I am. It is called Matera. It's in Basilicata in southern Italy. And because you're the Quirky Club and because I love you and because you get exclusive content, I wanted to show this to you guys. It is epic. I guess that Passion of the Christ was shot here, and also all kinds of other movies. And it's evident as to why it feels ancient. It is really incredible to be here. It's a UNESCO World Heritage Site, and I am sharing this day with some of my favorites. So happy to be here. We may or may not go over this bridge. Don't look down, don't look down, don't look down. And sending all of you all of my love and appreciation as always.